Welcome to this video tutorial series on how to use the Mesh++ dashboard website. This series is split into 7 total videos: an introduction on the dashboard website, a general overview on network usage, how to create an SSID for users to connect to the network, how to interact with nodes in your network, how to update your node's firmware, how to share your network to other Mesh++ users, and how to set up a captive portal. One important thing to note is that our dashboard website does not update network data and node statuses in real time. This means that the user must refresh the page to get the latest results, which is useful when verifying that your nodes are working properly or that a network is receiving enough bandwidth. To access our dashboard website, please visit dashboard.mesh++.com. Here, you'll be asked to log in using the same account that you used to create your mobile account. If you need assistance in doing so, please visit section 5A of the instruction manual on page 16. Once logged in, you'll be taken to a list of all networks already created on your account. First, let us quickly go through the navigation menu. Aside from the network drop-down list, here you can access all the captive portals created on this account, check on real-time network alerts and manage their settings, revisit any of these tutorial videos, and report an issue by contacting us directly. On the top right of the site, the circular Account button allows us to manage account settings, invite other users to view or help manage your network, and other general preferences. More on sharing your networks will be discussed in a later video. If you've not created a network yet, under the map you'll find a button that says Create Network. Click on it and enter the desired name of your network along with your location. You can do this automatically by permitting the site to use your location. Auto configuration is set by default, but switching it to manual will allow you to select bandwidth frequency and channel for 2.4 and 5 gigahertz bands. If you've already created a network, select it from the list under the map or the drop-down on the top left of the page to begin.